Imagine a metaverse seamlessly blending blockchain, gaming, and immersive technology. At Xcube Labs, we turned that vision into reality, setting a new standard for virtual engagement. Our client wanted a vibrant, user-driven virtual economy safe, intuitive, and engaging. Leveraging blockchain and immersive tech, Xcube Labs created an accessible metaverse for everyone. We crafted stunning 3D worlds in Unity, bringing social interaction to life with voice and text communication. Our secure, scalable backend, built on Node.js and MongoDB, handles authentication and asset management effortlessly. We ensured smooth, low-latency multiplayer experiences using SmartFox Server, keeping users connected in real time. Utilizing Binance Smart Chain, we enabled affordable NFT transactions and secure digital asset ownership, driving a thriving virtual economy. By integrating AWS S3 and Cloudflare, we guarantee high-speed, secure content delivery worldwide. Our intuitive onboarding, including automated wallet setup, ensures even blockchain novices find it effortless to join. Real-time voice and text chat enable rich social interactions, making collaboration fun and seamless. Powered by BNB, our platform simplifies crypto-to-fiat conversions, creating a dynamic digital marketplace. Our secure, user-friendly wallet streamlines every transaction, from asset purchases to cash withdrawals. Security is paramount. We implemented AES 256 encryption, JWT authentication, and regular smart contract audits, strictly complying with KYC AML requirements. We dramatically reduced transaction costs, managed massive real-time user activity, and simplified fiat integration, delivering an optimized, future-ready solution. We're enhancing user experience and security ahead of beta testing, with exciting plans like cross-metaverse interoperability, DAO governance, and VR capabilities on the horizon. By combining blockchain with immersive technology, we've empowered a vibrant digital ecosystem where creativity, ownership, and collaboration thrive. The metaverse is here, and together with our client, we're leading the charge. Let's get you started on your metaverse journey. Contact us, and we will be happy to talk.